Alright, what's good everybody? It's Slime Speed Shop, and on this video we're going to be unboxing a Team M-Factory LSD, so come check out what's in the box. Alright, what's going on everybody? In front of us right here is the open differential out of the S40 35mm transmission. What we have here is a Harbor Freight Polar that we just absolutely modified and thinned down, and we hacked this thing up. Alright, so what we're doing is reusing all of the hardware from the open diff, the same with the final drive gear, some blue Loctite. So let's get the gear on, just drop it right on it, and get on it. And then now we'll start using the bolts. Get on this arrow right here. These are left-hand thread, so you have to spin it counterclockwise to tighten it. you want to come check this out over here. You want to torque these down to 74.5. It tells you to do it in several steps, but we're only going to do 2 steps. So now over to the vise. Just have 2 pieces of wood. And you can tell by the sound when it's bottomed all the way out, because there'll be a lot of echoing if you can hear that. There you have it. We have our Team M-Factory LSD with both bearings on it. The hardware torqued down, the speedogear on.